Are you struggling with your drum grooves, or your drum grooves sound the same and boring like always? Well, I'll give you 3 steps to make your drum groove sound more better. But before I start the video, only 7% of y'all have subscribed to this channel. So what you doing? Hit that subscribe button and like the video and enjoy. The first step that will make your boring grooves sound more fun is by adding ghost notes. Now, adding ghost notes to your grooves will add rhythmic texture and depth to your grooves, making it more bouncy. Now, look at these 2 videos and tell me which one of these look more engaging and interesting. Well, video A was quite simple and boring with no interesting stuff. But if you look at the second video, it was more engaging and interesting. Why? Because I used the second step, which I call the unexpected pauses. These unexpected pauses will surprise the audience, making them engage and show interest on your drum groove. Now finally, we are on the last and final step, the third step, adding some juicy
chops.
Yes, adding chops between your grooves or in your grooves will make the audience feel like, that's so cool! If you're wondering how you can make your own chops, click on this video where I'll teach you how to create your own chops. Well, now it's your turn to impress people with those cool grooves you've got. And with that said, bye-bye.